Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Crystylecouture here. If you're new here, hi, welcome. We do all things fashion, beauty, lifestyle, as well as how-to styling videos. Get ready with me. Also, you can hit the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you know when I put new videos out. I'm really working on getting the schedule together. So that's soon to come. Also, you can follow me on IG, TikTok, as well as Pinterest at Crystylecouture, and that's where to find me. My outfit for today was a Zara bodysuits, some H&M shorts, and my dad's sandals. I'll put them in a side by side for you guys. Some minimal jewelry, a little bit of gold, as well as my Pandora bracelet. You know, just really want to keep it pretty simple. It's a regular Sunday, I think, afternoon. I don't even know what day it is. So I just want to keep it simple. Today, guys, we are doing the Zara haul, the Zara sale items, what I purchased, what I got in the mail, kind of what I returned. But we're just going to kind of take a look at some of the things that I received. So let's start with the first thing. So I got this little outfit here, these little silk pants, well, you know, silk blend pants. They are brown with kind of a purple outlining stitching as well. I really like the paisley prints. I thought they were really cute, really summery. I paired them with this crochet top. Let's see, just want to make sure you guys can really see the top. You know, both fit really well. I always have to try on all my Zara clothes because the sizing is very touch and go. So they both fit very well. Let's see, I still have the tags on everything. I think this was $39 and I think this top was $19. So pretty decent, pretty decent. One of my favorite items that I received, however I have to do some altering to it, is this little romper. It is very, very cute. It has the front cutout. It is strapless. It's shorts. It's like a really soft linen material. I really liked it. It is a size small, I believe. However, yes, it's a small. However, it does run small. So when I was trying to get on, you'll notice that I had to alter the zipper some. So it zips all the way up, but I think I'm going to alter it a little bit and make it kind of like a keyhole because it's cute and I really liked it. So this is just very cute, like a skirt-like. I really like this a lot. The price on that last piece was $35.99. It was really, really cute. So next up, I got these pink pleated wide leg pants. Very cute, very pleated. I really wanted to get more trousers and pants from Zara, but their size is so inconsistent that I actually have to try on everything, and I ordered some stuff online as well as getting some stuff from the actual store. But these were really, really cute. I think they were $29.99. They fit really well. They're high-waisted, pleated. I like the pink, the color, in a size small. I was also pairing them with this little crochet jacquard top. I just picked it up actually on a separate occasion. When I went to return some things from Zara, I actually saw this, even though I was focused on my returns. And I thought this was pretty cute. And you know, I'll probably put these together and wear this very many ways. Let's see, this one is a medium and it was only $19.99. So definitely like this. It's soft on the skin. I already tried it on when I got home just to make sure. Definitely like these two, kind of together as well as separate as well. One of the next items I got was a Zara coat, sweater, crochet duster. It's in brown. I really liked it. I think it's originally $89. I think I got it for like $35. This coat is very well made. It is heavy, very heavy. It doesn't have a hood, but I like the sailor type collar that it has on the back. It is long, duster length, so kind of on me it's probably close to ankle or right above the ankle. Like I said, very heavy, very warm. I liked it a lot when I saw it in the picture. And of course, it was one of those buy it quickly or else it'll be gone type things. It has pockets. She loves pockets. The last piece I purchased was this long wool blend coat. It was normally $249. I think I got it for like $150. I got it in a small. It's super, super oversized. It is more of a taupe-like color. It's, of course, very heavy. It's got the brown buttons. It's got some, you know, faux pockets, even though I like pockets, but in this case, I didn't win the pocket war. So it's a very, very cute jacket. As you can see, made pretty well. I was pretty pleased with the overall make. You know, there were no loose threads. You know, everything looks aligned properly. The buttons are firmly on. I bought some things from Zara before and paid like a good amount, and the buttons are kind of loosely sewn. That way you button them once or twice and they're loose, almost falling off. So the quality of this item was really good, really up to par. So the Zara sale's been going on for several weeks now, and when it first started at like 9 o'clock, I already had an idea of everything I wanted. I had 4, maybe 3 coats I believe that I wanted to get, and by the time I logged on to the Zara site to get these 3 coats, they were already sold out. So I was pretty mad about that, to be honest. You know, one of the coats was like a lavender coat. These were all the long wool coats. Lavender, there was a pink one, and then there was the one I really, really wanted, which was a men's style red coat. And the funny thing is, I can't even find a picture of it online anywhere. It's already been deleted from the Zara site. So I'm telling you guys right now, if you have that red wool blend menswear coat, OMG, please comment below if you got it, what size you wore, and how much you love it. And if you are you willing to sell it to me? Because I wanted that coat so bad. You know, going through Zara, it was really, things were selling out like instantly. So I really didn't have any priority like, you know, do I want to get pants or I want to get shirts? I just kind of wanted to see what they had and kind of go from there. Because again, you know, returning stuff to Zara here in Georgia is such a to-do because the line's always long. So I just didn't really want to get a whole bunch of things and not be sure about, you know, the quality, the fits, the fabrics. So that's why I kind of just got the things that I purchased. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that like button in this video, comment down below some things you got from Zara on the sale, as well as don't forget to hit that notification button so that you can find out when I post new videos, and follow me on my socials everywhere at Crystylecouture, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!